Hello world, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I have created this heavy red eye look paired with some nude lips, and I'm wearing a suit because this is a Eid makeup look, and I try to get near as far as, because I have never done a Eid makeup look, but as far as I have seen people doing this is more about colors and very bang on makeup looks. So I decided to go with heavy eye look, and I'm wearing this mangtika because I was opting for the pasta, but I don't have pasta with me, and I have actually never tried it also. But I do have mangtikas and I apply mangtikas, and I thought this is much nearer to that. So this is the simple but with some color eye makeup look. If you like the look, please keep on watching to see how you can achieve this look. And the fun thing over this is that I have not used eyeshadow palette today. I have done this red and black smoky eye look with some liquid lipstick. Yes, I have used the liquid lipstick for this because I feel not everybody is having eyeshadow palettes, but they do want to look zazz up with some colors. So this is a really nice, easy, simple way of using your lipstick to other extent. And the only thing is you need to have a liquid lipstick because this need to be dried down so that it will not smudge. And everybody who is watching this, Eid Mubarak. If you want to know how I got this look with lipstick, please keep on watching. So I'm already done with my foundation, my powder, my contour. The only thing left is my eyes and my lips with some blush. Blush, you know, as I always do in the end after applying the lipstick, so that I can see how much blush I need. Yeah, right. So today I'm going to use this red color on my eyes, and for that I'll not use any kind of eyeshadow palette. I'll use liquid lipstick. Yes, I'll use lipstick for the red color. Also, I'm done with my eyebrows. I have filled in with my normal Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit. I will describe everything that I have used earlier in the description bar, so you can check it out, what I have used for my base and everything. But today for eyes I'll use this Lotus Eco Stake red lipstick. This is in the shade Rose Bloom. It's a very pretty shade, and this shade is the closest one to my this red lining over here. So that is how I got inspired to use the red color to my eyes. So I'll use this lipstick, and this is liquid lipstick because you need to have something that will be matte on your eyes after some time so that it does not smudge, right? So I'll use this one and then show you how you can do it. So I have not applied anything to my eyes, like here I have not applied any kind of primer, the eye primer or concealer or anything. I'm going to use the lipstick directly onto this. So I'll take this. So what I'll do is I first pick up the product to my hands. Do not use the brush directly because I will use the same lipstick to my lips afterwards, so I'll not use the brush directly to my eyes. So now what I'll do is I'll take my ring finger, and you need to be very quick because this is going to be dried down. This is a liquid lipstick. So I'll take this ring finger and take the product like this, and I'm going to apply it directly to my eye. So you see, I have not gone beyond my crease line. This is just my lid where I have put in product. Now quickly I'm going to clean this up, otherwise this is going to be dried down like this. So I have applied the same thing in the same way to my this eye also. Now I'm going to take the product to my lower lid. take your smudging brush and start smudging it to your lower lid line. I know right now it is looking a little weird, but trust me, this is gonna be better afterwards. So now as our edges are clean and I'm looking a red panda right now, we are going to do some finishing to our eyelid look by taking some product. So I'm gonna use my SFR palette right here, and I'll take the transition shade over here, like this one, this orange one, and I'm going to clean my crease line with this. Taking some, dusting off the excess, and I'm going to clean the crease line over there. Just clean your edges until you get a very nice transition going on. Whenever you're doing some kind of eye look, blending is the key. Now I'll take another smudging brush and I'll take the same product, same orange transition shade, and I'm going to smudge it in the lower lid line. Now generally in festive makeup, eyeliner is a mandatory thing, but today I'll not use the eyeliner thing. I'll use my kajal and create a little bit of smoky look. Kajal today I'll use my same Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade Back to Black. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I will create a line over there, like the upper lash line, and then I'm going to smudge it. You need not to create a wing with this. So as you can see, I have created a thick line, a very rough thick line. Now I'm going to smudge it. So I'm taking my same flat top brush and I like to smudge it with this when I want to have a very nice smoky look. I'll do the same thing to my left eye. Now I'm going to apply some kajal to my lower waterline, and I'm not going to smudge it because I'm going to apply a very thin line of kajal. Now to complete eye look, I'll use some mascara, and for mascara I'll use my Lotus Max Lash Waterproof and Volumizing Botanical Mascara. This is how it looks like, and now I'm kinda liking it. Yes. So I have done the single coat of mascara, and now we are going straight up to lipstick. And for today's look, I'll use my same Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade. This is my this is my go-to shade. This goes with every damn look, and because I feel I'm going a little over with my eyes, my lipstick is also done. Just to define it better, I'm going to use the lip liner over it, and for lip liner I'll use the Elvin one. This is the maroon shade, and I'm going to outline my lips with it, a very slight outline. Now to make things much better, I'll use the lipstick again over my lip liner. So my lipstick is done, my eyes are done. Now time for the blush, and obviously I'm going to have some color on my face and not use the neutral one. I'll use my same matte blush. This is also from SFR, and I'm going to use this red shade right over there. Taking my Color Bar blush brush, taking the product, dust it off and apply it. Now blush is also done. Now today I'll do some highlighting, and for highlighting I'll use my LA Color Sweet 16 palette, and from this for highlighting I'll use this shade right over here. This is also silverish, but not like this. This is pitch silver, you can say, like the pearl thing. This is a bit more oud type, so I'll use this one to my eyes, to my cheeks, and everywhere where you should highlight. I will take this eyeshadow brush right over there like this, and I'm going to dip this in the product and I'm going to apply it, dusting off the excess. I will apply the same shade to highlight my eyebrows also. To my Cupid's bow and my chin. So our highlight is also done. So basically our makeup is done, and I'll apply some Mang Tika over my hairs and I'll come back.